Scam, ha?
No po, no.
Okay, good.
Simple job com.
Okay, good. I will download the ano ngayon, the Telegram. Wait ha, just wait.
Okay.
So, I'm looking now in the App Store. So, Telegram. Okay, install Telegram. Hello, sir.
Yeah, po.
Yeah, are you from India?
Yes, so I'm from India, but I'm working Pipai, Manila,
Hmm,
Manila.
okay.
Where are you from?
Philippines. Beautiful Philippines.
Uh, okay, great, po.
So,
Yeah,
so
you
yes,
download it po, download the
yes,
Telegram.
already. Download it now.
Okay. I'm on the call. Take your time.
Okay. So, I answer. So, do I need to answer this?
Sorry, po?
Do I need to answer this call?
Sorry?
Do I need to answer this call from Ireland?
No, po.
No?
Um, yeah, SK Digital Marketing Company po, Makati City.
So, wait ha. Try to look for your message from Telegram.
Yeah. Have you download the Telegram, po?
Yeah, already.
Okay. Have you received the message, my message, our
Wait,
company HR message, Daisy?
they're just looking for the code.
Okay.
Here, NV Smith, right? Ay, no.
Sorry?
No. That's one of my ano. Wait. I'm waiting for the code
Okay.
from Telegram.
Okay. Okay.
So, what happened to Telegram? They're not sending anymore. Daisy sent you a message. Is this you?
Yeah.
Daisy?
Yeah. Daisy Taylor.
So, the message is, I'm Andrea from Husky Digital Marketing Company in Makati.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just reply like a hi.
So, I just answer hi. Okay. Done.
Yeah, hi or hello, whatever.
No, you're not done.
Okay, you received the hi?
No, po. Are you using Wi-Fi or mobile data, po?
Sorry? Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, po. I decline the call. Okay, po. Okay, po.
Call?
Hello?
No, I didn't
Yeah,
receive
po.
any
I
call.
decline the call. Yeah. I'll call you back within a 10 minutes.
Okay.
Within 5 minutes. Okay, po.
Okay.
Yeah. He will send the first task and second task. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, po. I'll call you back within a 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ito yung mga nabudol ko eh. Yung bibigyan ka ng link tas sila like mo lang. Papadala talaga sa'yo sa ano. Basta wag mo lang pipindutin yung ano. Wag mo lang pipindutin yung link na pinapadala nila. Yari ka doon ka maano. Naka 700 ako sa market tapos bigla na lang nawala eh. Kasi ano eh, hindi ko kiniklik yung link na pinapadala nila eh. Doon kanila makukuha kasi eh.
Ano ito link ito?
Yun yung hinihingi niya yung password mo sa ano, sa Google. Hindi ko binibigay. Pero padala sila ng padala. Bawat i-like ko dun sa mga brand na pinapadala nila, nila-like ko lang. 20 pesos. Nakaka 120 ako a day eh. Huwag ng halos isang linggo rin na tayo. Bigla na lang nawala sila. Kasi hindi ko unan eh.
Sinabi mo, I will give 10 seconds to drop your weapons. I repeat, I will give you 10 seconds to drop your
Kaboses siya
weapons.
kaya, terrorist.
Or we will shoot you.
Hapin din kaya din eh. Ito talaga mag-scam eh. Hapin din eh.
Kanya ka niya, so may dami mo.
Ali, ayan. Yuwin. Minayaw niya.
Mayroon, bakit ang harap ba ito?
Tinakas niya.
Pinaya-dobleting na lang.
Ito yung mga scammer eh. Try natin scamin ulit. Naka-scam na ako ng isang beses nito eh. Try natin ulit. Baka may scam pa natin tong scammer na to.
Balik tayo, scammer na scammer.